Hi everyone, good morning. Roshan this side from Research In and Out. So over here I have already taken my position of hedging position and I just want the decay, nothing else. Okay, so I've taken a position of 39,300 C and 39,500 P because my view is that market will be moving in first half between these, and because of that I have taken up this position, and over here I just require the decay. So just waiting for another 1 hour, and so that the decay is there. Once the premium decay approximately 80% is done, I'll be exiting out my position. So alright guys, so यहाँ पे market has particularly gone downside, but there is a particularly support at 39,200, which will be a bit tough to break. Let's see if it breaks, then I have to change my position, which I have currently right now, because 39,500 PV will not be working, and as you can see that obviously it is going to give me loss, so I have to change my position accordingly. So it has broken the level now, 200 level. It is trying 39,200, it is trying to break. Let's look at the option chain data what we have got over here. So 39,500 is strong level, 39,200 is also a good level. So if we see over here, it has taken the rejection, it is trying to go upside. Let's see whether it is able to go upside or not, because this candle closing will be important. Bank Nifty to for So Bank Nifty has taken a good rejection from here and it is trying to go upside. If this candle is closing upside, then we can see it going up. So over here, if we see, once again it is back to 7,000 plus. So we just have to wait for some more time to get the at least 80% or somewhere 70 to 80% of the. So if we see, currently market has been taking support, resistance from 39 to 60 approximately. It has been taking good resistance every time if you see that. So market is being volatile from 39,300 to 39,100. And if we see NSE option chain data, when it is saying the same thing, 39,200, 300 are the levels. So over here, if I'm having a position of 39,500, it doesn't make sense. This particular P, it doesn't make sense for me, because almost if we see 230 is the price, and over here just 30 rupees decay is left, so it doesn't matter for me to hold it. So I have to shuffle my position now, which I'll be doing it. ऑलराइट गाइस, तो यहाँ पे मार्केट जो है वापस अपसाइड मूवमेंट दिखा रहा है, एंड मैंने पोजीशन भी शफल किए हुए हैं अपने। जो एग्जिस्टिंग क्वांटिटी थी मेरी 39,300 की, इसको मैंने एक्सिट कर दिया था, और अभी ये क्वांटिटी हमारे पास है 39,100 सी की, ताकि ओवरऑल मार्केट जो रहे वो मेरे फेवर में रहे, चाहे जो भी होता है। बाकी देखते हैं क्या होता है। यहाँ पे फाइनली ब्रेकआउट भी आ चुका है, सब चीज़ सही है। अब ये ब्रेकआउट कितने देर सस्टेन करता है ये मैटर करता है। यहाँ पे हमारा प्रॉफिट 29,000 तक जा चुका था, वापस से भी 25,000 तक है। यहाँ पे मेरा पोजीशन जो है 31 प्लस हो चुका है। अभी क्या था कि मार्केट बार बार ये लेवल से रिजेक्शन ले रहा था, अब इस लेवल से रिजेक्शन लेके मार्केट ब्रेक किया, उसके बाद अपसाइड मूवमेंट दिखा रहा है। पर्टिकुलरली यही चाहिए इसी चीज का। मैं तब से मॉर्निंग में आई वाज वेटिंग फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग टू गिव दिस पर्टिकुलर लेवल टू बी ब्रोकन, and from here on the decay which is left, if we see 39,350 is approximately the price for this one. The decay is approximately left is 150, and for this one it is around 20 rupees decay has been left. We just have to wait for the market to give us just go in range, nothing else. If market is moving between these lines, it is very much beneficial for me. Even if it goes till here, there are very less chances that it will be breaking this particular level. Very less chances are there that it will break this particular level. Okay. And if we see option chain data, so option chain data have 39,500, 39,400, and here it is 39,200. So my morning position was 39,300 C, and which I exited actually at 65 rupees. If I would not have exited this particular position, then the decay which I've got over here is approximately 50 rupees more. Means somewhere around 16 to 17,000 extra would have been added to this particular profit. But at that point of time, when I added the position, when I shifted my position actually, okay, at that point of time, it was good to do that, because market was showing this rejection again. It could have broken also. So that was the reason that I shifted my position, because max to max what I could have got the ticket is around 60 rupees only. Okay, so that was one of the major reason that I had to shift my position. And now the profit is here. So I had recorded everything in my phone, but I was speaking also. And let's see now what happens. So this is particularly the rally. It needs to get stopped. It needs to go in the range so that the decay will be coming more. Okay, and that is one of the major reason. I can do one thing over here is that I can shift few of the quantity to the call side and make it equal. Okay, I'll remove 75 quantities and I'll add up. So now it is equal of 50-50. 375 quantities are equal. Okay, and here also if we see there is a lot of money have to be get ticket. So 12 and into 1800, approximately a good amount of 10,000 rupees of the OTM is still left looking at this position. Okay, so the total fund utilized over here was 8.5 lakh, and it is the return is approximately 4% now. So from here, basically, if the prices are coming down, okay, if market is not breaking this level, then it is going to be beneficial. Still, it is a lot of benefits are there because the decay and everything. Okay. So anyway, from here, I'm not going to lose anything. There will be no chances that I'll be losing it out. Okay. I'll be going home with profit only. Okay. So that is one thing. So over here, I believe that market should not be breaking actually the 39,400 level. Okay, 39,400 if we see, and 39,500 is a very good strong resistance. Okay, so that's the reason I have added shifted my position from P to call option. Okay, in that particular favor. So basically, I want the market to come till this level approximately. If it doesn't go in my favor, then I'll exit my position. If let's say next candle is closing above this, then I'll exit my position because there is no point of holding it. Okay, so it is going in my favor itself. So that's a good thing. Because what has happened that all of a sudden when market moved approximately 3158 to on an average of 300 points, it has moved. Okay, so because of that, the decay is moved. See what has happened, market moved upside. So premium spike has been done over here with the call option. So whenever there is a sudden movement, call option, the value of call option will increase. Okay, and that's what has happened from 160. It has moved to 340 rupees, approximately somewhere around 200 points. It has moved upside. Okay, so that was one thing. And as soon as it showed some kind of rejection, I had added the quantity, shifted my quantity from P to this position. Okay, now I just have to wait and get the decay, nothing else. If market goes in range, just everything is going to be beneficial for me. So first I'll exit few quantities of this to make it equal. So 125 quantity I want to exit at a price of, so I'll exit my free quantity now. It has got exited now. Rest of the quantity I can hold it. See, over here I'm not making any kind of decision that market will be going upside or downside, because I'm playing in non-directional movement. I'm just looking here for the decay, nothing else. So accordingly I have to shift my accordingly I have to exit. So whenever I had made up a decision that market will go upside or downside, accordingly I had shifted, cut down from the C, cut down from the P, and I had added the position. Okay, but here I just want the market to go in range, nothing else, to get the decay. Okay, and over here the major thing is that the decay which is happening from these sides. So let me exit these position 600. I need to exit now. So if you're noticing that as soon as my profits are increasing, I'm reducing my risk also at the same time. I'm not taking the complete quantity. I'm not making the decision of holding it till the end. Okay, because that is going to be backfire me. So that's the reason I'm not doing that. Over here, looking at the price is 308. The call option 30, considering at 3010 also, the call option should be at 210 rupees. Okay, there is 40 rupees decay left, and it should be somewhere 190 rupees. Okay, and there is 30 rupees decay as well left. So overall 70 rupee decay is there, means approximately 20,000 rupees is more over here. But if the market is moving anywhere between this 22,000 is there, means from here 10,000 more is there. If I take all these things out, and also I can exit. So I've exited this one also, and what I can do is I can exit approximately 600 quantities of this and this as well. Okay, so I have now it is completely safe. If I'm going to lose over here is somewhere around 1200 and 2400, but if I'm going to gain, it is going to be a good amount of 18,000 more gain is going to be there if I'm holding it till 320, or else no. I'm just waiting key all the decay what I have in this point at this point of time. If it is getting done, I'm done. So if we see right now 325, the prices are 264 and 206 respectively. Okay, so 20 252, right? So I'll just make it as 278 it is going, and 194. 278 call option, and put option is at 194. 194 modified position. Now let's look at from here that right now position is good enough. Okay, so you can see downside till the time if I'm holding it till 320. Okay, so if market is closing, let's say from till 39,000, I'll be profit. 39,650, still it is going to be a profitable decision. If it is any time, any point of time between 39,100 and 39,500, if it is closing, exact profit is going to be somewhere around 20,000 plus. Okay, and time left to hold it is still approximately 2 hours. Okay, so I'm planning to hold it actually, depending on the situation. If it does not break this, okay, if the market goes in sideways, that's good for me. If it is not, then there is no point. We don't really have to worry about it over here, okay? Because no matter whatever happens, if this level is also crossed, still will be in profit. Very less chances to cross this particular level. If it is crossing, I'll be exiting my position. Okay. The thing is over here, ki this particular decay should be happening. Okay. And for that, market will be showing some kind of movement. So just another 1 hour, 1 hour is left for me to book everything. And if you see that now the decay will be a lot of decay will be there, and this profit will be running like last time it was at around 50 max it has made. It will be increasing now because of the call option decay. Okay. So I'm here particularly expecting the market to turn around from here and go till this level, which is around 213. Somewhere it should be closing, or it can close around somewhere here also. Okay, so these are the two levels which I'm expecting the market to close. So particularly I had to exit the trade, but that point of time I was having food, so I couldn't exit it. So not seeing like just 1 minute it had come and gave the target, the decay which I was looking for it. And basically when this particular movement has come up at this point of time, that was the time when I had got the decayed everything and I had to exit. But see, the decay will be coming only if the market is going upside, or I have to wait for another 1 hour. Okay. If market is moving once again till here, no, I'll get the decay. Even approximately 50 points upside, if it is moving, I'll get the decay. If it is going downside, then it will take time till 320. Okay. Because if you see 3143 and the price is somewhere around 10, so approximately 60 rupees is here. Okay. And this one is done. Almost it is done. If you see 140, it is 360 going on. So if this one is done, the only thing is left is from here. अभी क्या है ना कि this one is done. Okay, if it is going downside, it doesn't matter. I have to wait then. Okay. Now, if this particular, if I have to get the decay and see, first thing like to get it quickly, if the market is moving towards upside, the market will move upside. The movement will be very slow here, and this one will be also getting decreased. So I'll be getting the decay. In that way, I can get the decay very quickly. But in a case, if it goes down, then I have to wait for some more time. Only 36 rupees of decay is left. I just need 15 more, 10 to 12 rupees more decay. That's it. And I'm done for the day. So I guess I have to hold till 330 only. 320. ऐसा ना हो कि लास्ट मिनट का मूवमेंट स्पॉइल ना कर दे सारा, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट 255 हो चुका है। ये लास्ट मिनट का मूवमेंट जो दिख रहा है ये बेकार ना कर दे सारा। लगता तो नहीं है, बट फिर भी वी हैव टू बी ऑन द सेफ एंड। यहाँ पे बस पेशेंसली थोड़ा सा होल्ड करते हैं कैंडल क्लोजिंग होने का, उसके बाद निकल जाएंगे। ये एंड मोमेंट का जो मूवमेंट था ना, इसका मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर आया तो फिर दिक्कत हो सकती है। अब ये कैंडल को बेसिकली ऊपर तो जाना चाहिए, देखते हैं कि ऊपर जाता है तो सही है, नहीं तो फिर चलिए। लास्ट मिनट की वोलेटिलिटी में ले ली थी 2 मिनट के लिए, बट थोड़ा 10-20 पॉइंट और ऊपर चला जाए, इसका कुछ मूवमेंट आएगा नहीं मेजरली। लगता है कि निकल जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि 306 हो गया ऐसे भी। उसी टाइम 2 मिनट पहले ही निकलने वाला था, बट मिस कैलकुलेशन ऑफ समथिंग। अब इसका तो सारा डिके खत्म हो गया जो चाहिए था, लेकिन अब इसमें फंस गए क्योंकि इसकी प्राइसेस बढ़ गई। कोई नहीं, थोड़ी देर की बात है, ये भी सेटल्ड हो जाएगा। एट द एंड ओवरऑल एक अच्छा ट्रेडिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा। प्रॉफिट वगैरह तो ठीक है, बनता रहता है। अब यहाँ पे मैं इसको एग्जिट कर देता हूँ। दोनों कॉल ऑप्शन को मैं अब एग्जिट कर दे रहा हूँ। यहाँ से कुछ खास है नहीं बचा हुआ। 2400 है। अब इसे भी एग्जिट कर देंगे। चलो, इट्स ऑल डन। पूरा का पूरा डिके भी ऑलमोस्ट मिल ही गया अगर हम देखें तो। मैंने इसको एग्जिट किया 403 पे, ठीक है, और इसको एग्जिट किया 8 पे, तो हाँ ऑलमोस्ट 11 रुपए का बचा था। और ये आपका जो है अभी इसी प्राइस पे चल रहा है। और ये जो यहाँ पे जो मैंने एग्जिट किया उसका सही किया, जो पहले थोड़ा सा मैंने एग्जिट कर दिया। ओवरऑल गुड डे। मैं थोड़ी देर में एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा, ब्रेक लूंगा, उसके बाद एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा कि ट्रेडिंग वगैरह कैसे की, रीजन क्या था शफलिंग वगैरह का। ठीक है, चलो। So we are all done with the trades, and I'm particularly recording it at 1:10 a.m. so that I can give you the overview before we wind up. So particularly we have booked 61 plus K now, okay, and the last order which we had exited at 403, and if we see the value it has gone, the price had gone above. Let's say even if I would have exited till like waited till 320, then it could have backfired us very badly. If we see, then it could have backfired approximately 18K loss. But if you remember in the beginning only, I had told, no matter whatever happens, I'm not going to take out lose out from here. Okay. So good things. And if you remember that I had exited my call option also 39,100C. At that point of time, I had exited 275. At 275, I had exited a 125 quantity. So that I'm following the risk management, because if we see Bank Nifty, particularly it was all the data, option chain data and everything was not showing that it will be breaking these levels. It is not going to break these levels. Okay, 39,000 upside or down, 39,500 upside or downside, both the ways. Okay, but as soon as this particular level was broken, okay, I was sure that I cannot continue my trade till longer period of time, like till 320. So I was just waiting for a moment to come back and give me the good profits. Then, or basically you can say, give me the good reasonable decay which I was looking for it. Okay, as soon as I got in this particular candle, almost here somewhere, I exited everything. Okay, because for me it wasn't making any kind of sense to hold it. If you see, I was holding it till 310, and which was the maximum time which I was holding, and I was not convinced that I can hold it for the longer period of time. Maybe because what has been done, that I had exited this particular call options just 1 minute ago, and because I had got all the decay, and from here I was not expecting that market will be giving me upside movement or anything such thing like that, because clearly it was showing us that it is a breakdown, and any time last minute volatility can affect my profit. So because of that, it was the best option to exit the trade. Then I could have booked my profit. I could have booked my profit long back, like somewhere at 230 only. This is the point where I could have booked, but that point of time, you can say I was not available. I was not watching the screen, or else I could have booked it. So overall, a great day, apart from the learnings and everything. Okay, and if you see double bottom pattern, or you can say it was forming a kind of double bottom pattern. Okay, if you can, let me just disable everything. Okay, small double bottom, double top pattern was forming also at this point of time. The breakout came, so we can see that it can fill up this gap which has been there. Okay, maybe it can fill up if it is coming tomorrow. If it is opening up a downside, okay, then it can fill this gap also. 38,500, approximately 300 points downside, 400 point downside, we can see, or else it can take support from this particular level and it can start going upside. So this was particularly from the live trading of expiry trades. Okay, so whenever we are reducing our risk, where here I had reduced my risk by exiting this quantity. If I had not have exited, then 270 if you will do, 270 into 125 if you will do, it will take you to 30,000 extra. I would have been done it. But when I reduced my risk, the profit will be reduced, and I'm being on the safer end. And that is the most important thing in the trading. So yeah, that's all from my end, guys. So I hope you learned something, and we'll continue to provide more valuable stuff in coming days. So bye, take care, and I hope you like the content. If yes, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.